Hello, what's up guys? So, nari aku dekat Tristan Park Johor Bahru. Nak pergi dirt bike experience dengan kawan-kawan Singapore.
Okay, hello guys. We are here back at Tristan Park after a few years before COVID. We last tried. Today we bring my friend, my work colleague, Vinod here. His first time trying MX. Hopefully he have fun. I'm also trying a bigger bike. So today I'm getting a CRF 250. Looks good. Can't wait to try it out.
So, nanti aku tunjuk korang tempat ni macam mana, apa jadi semua. So, let's go. Firstly, everyone had to sign an indemnity form. Right after, we all gear up, which took us about 30 minutes. Right after, we test our bikes. Time check. We started our ride around 9:55 AM. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Laju siapa dorang? Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab it then take it. Hey, okay tak? Calm down, calm down. Vinod jatuh lagi.
Pasal aku jatuh sebab tak ada clearance dekat depan.
Oh. Bikes getting stuck is normal when we go for our ride. This is one of the rescue missions.
Tadi tolak terus dah macam dah mengas. Dah tak boleh tolak lagi.
Panas, jaga.
Tak ada tenaga tadi.
It's normal for first time riders to fall many times in the train. Panas. You see a hole, you langgar ni. You avoid the hole lah.
Different right?
So one of first time rider, Vinod. Alamak. Sudah pancit dah brother. Pancit. Ya, semua survive. Woo! Amalai. Survive.
We did CRF and KTM.